For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to being in flow and what that means for your daily life, your busy life full of roles and responsibilities. To be in flow means to be totally surrendered to the course of your day. Whatever happens in the moment, you are present, experiencing it and allowing it to be. By being present, you are open to the opportunities that arise in any given moment. When you see them, you feel them, you let them flow through you. By being totally present, you are open to the opportunities that arise in any given moment. You see them, you feel them, you let them flow through you. When the energy changes, you change without resisting or holding on. You become free flowing, meeting the moment as it is, ever changing. This is the way of nature. To be like nature is to be in flow, to be like water. To be like water, water is flowing. When it is in the glass, it becomes the glass. Whatever your energy flows into, you become that experience. Whether it is the task or project that gets placed on your desk, albeit unexpectedly, rather than resisting or going into story, smile and breathe. Remember your flow. So you approach this unexpected task now with a smile and sense of confidence. Like water, you are able to flow into this task. To do this, feel into it. Is now the time for this? Or will you continue flowing with the work you are currently doing? It's important to get a sense of your flow, when it's active or passive, when it feels right or it doesn't, if the energy is uplifting and the focus seems there or it doesn't. This is when there is less resistance. Less resistance is a sign of flow. There is a time to go into the resistance, but allow the momentum to help you flow into that resistance and rise above it. Following this will mean you are able to rise into the energy and grow with it while it is present and available to you. After some time, or perhaps another encounter, the energy may dissipate. That is okay. Begin to feel when this is the case. Become aware of the energy in your body. Like your intuition, your body tells you how it feels. It could be an upward expansion of energy and a lightness, a warmth in the body, and a sense of spaciousness in the mind, like a feeling of clarity and focus. If the energy feels stuck or heavy, with tension in the head or mind, or uncomfortable to breathe, the energy is no longer flowing. Some tasks in the day may be more ideal than others, but all tasks have an ideal time to flow. If there is a task that has a lot of resistance around it, whether a tough conversation or a very detailed orientated project, change the approach to the work so you feel more at ease, more focused and excited, even to try to do the project. This could be changing the approach to it. Perhaps changing the meeting, for example, to a walking meeting, or a meeting in person, or if it's by the phone, perhaps lie down on the floor and take a few breaths. Change your position. Change your approach to find your flow. It could be to flow into a project and come back to it after you start to notice your energy waning or the quality of your work diminishing. Rather than forcing it, see where else your energy wants to go. This is flow. Flowing like water because it changes direction, but when it does, all of the energy goes with it. There are always countless tasks and work projects, errands and to-dos to complete. But if you use your awareness to see when each of these can be done rather than needs to be done, you can open up more ease and grace. While some things are finite, like picking up and dropping kids from school, other things can flow around them, like other errands and life admin, meetings and work projects. All of it can be adjusted based on your leadership and direction. You have autonomy over your own life, do you not? Are you in control of your own life, your own actions? Because you are, you choose the direction, the timing, and the energy that you bring into it. Maybe you have some old tasks booked in for completion, but the sun has come out and the rain has stopped. So rather than exercise later, you allow yourself to flow into the moment like the natural way of things. Go for the walk or exercise now while the moment is there. Then come back and flow into your outstanding work, feeling more refreshed. This is the art of flow. When you go against this because of some expectation or outdated mindset, perhaps some stubborn pride, you can feel less happy and in tune. So while respecting others' plans you have made, be open to taking command of your life and have the confidence to change in any given moment if the energy calls for it. It may not call for it, and your day may unfold exactly as you have scheduled. But allow yourself to be open to feeling where the flow of life wants you to go. Because moments like these don't last in life. They come and go. And by being open to them, you really start to experience the true meaning of life. A life of presence, serendipity, and magic. This is where all of the amazing experiences can come from. Chance meetings, special interactions, lucky encounters, good fortune and luck, being in the right place at the right time, all comes from finding your flow. Now, you live in the real world, with expectations, times, responsibilities. People are counting on you. But in between those big pillars of your life that are unwavering, where you're committed and present, be sure to find your flow throughout the day. It'll make sure that each of those pillars that you are committed to are more joyful, rather than hard, embittered, and a sense of burden that you have to. Changing your energy to I get to is a lot easier when you feel that you have flowed throughout the day and listen to your intuition.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mindvalley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mindvalley app to get started.